How to create 2 by 2 picture in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. Come to the Canva, go to the create here and go to the custom size. Under the custom you need to put width 2 and height also 2, and you need in inches. Okay, so now sorry, okay, in inches, and just create design. And here we got 2 by 2 canvas. Now you can upload your photos. Go to the upload your photos from your device like this. It will be start uploading. Here you can choose that photo and just resize it by click that corner dot, hold it and just resize it. Okay, or you can, if you want to image from Canva, you can go here elements and search for your image. Like if you want image like meditation, so you can find it in photos also and make 2 by 2. You can crop it like this, you can resize it. Okay, you can make it 2 by 2 picture. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.